I planned everything perfectly. This trip meant a lot to me. I arrived at the airport feeling excited and ready to go.
Into the night, holding hands, our hearts take flight. Love feels so pure and right.
I walked to check in, thinking I was on time, but I was wrong. My flight was already gone. I felt like I lost everything. My trip, my money, everything. I walked outside, confused and frustrated. Not knowing what to do. Then I found AirHelp. It helps you check if you can get your money back when flights go wrong. I entered my flight details. It only took a few seconds. And guess what? I got my money back. The best part? You don't pay anything unless they win your case. Check it yourself in the description below. You might have money waiting for you without even knowing.